do you think is going through his mind? It doesn't seem the same Lionel Messi as before.
I don't know what the problems are, but he doesn't seem happy at the moment.
But in what's been a very difficult last 24 hours for Barcelona Football Club. Lovely pass to Fabregas, and here's Messi! 3-2! The turnaround is complete!
A goal sent up to the heavens, to where I'm sure he believes someone very special is watching today, alongside his beloved grandmother Celia.
Certainly the dedication to Tito. You can see exactly what that means to Lionel Messi.
Mi vieja te quiere más a vos que a mí, ya a esta altura. Yo uso cinta roja, para la mufa. ¿Perdón? ¿De verdad, Messi? ¿Me pusiste en la pierna?